Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude oil is moving currently, as well as how the price of crude can move next day. Okay, see, as you can see that the fall in the price of crude after the lockdown, because the demand has declined almost. Only companies were requiring the crude, otherwise the demand has declined. So that is why the price of crude has gone in negative. But after unlock was going on, the demand again increased. Okay, and thus the price of crude is moving upside. Look at this. When the unlock happened, the demand increases, but after that it was in this particular region, in this particular range, because there is still were restrictions, a lot of restrictions. So the prices of crude was moving in this particular range. Okay, and after that normal lockdown 3 4 5 has come, and then from there the price of crude is moving up. As you can see the chart, the price of crude was at this range. Okay, see, made a high twice. Okay, so there is high probability. See, this is resistance 1, resistance 2, and if it cross this resistance again, then there is high probability it can move up. And the next resistance we can see is at around 68, then 72, and then a level of 75 also. So I am bullish on crude oil. Okay, this is a chart I am showing you for 1 year. Okay, look at this pattern, you will understand that the price of crude is moving in upside direction. Okay, so after just the lockdown, the price started moving upside, halted for some time, and then moving from there in a particular way upside. And the resistance 1 is here at 66.37, and 66.37, it is around 65.20 to 66.5. This is the range. Once this range is broken, this is the resistance, which you can understand that this resistance point, once this resistance point is crossed upside, then we will see another upside movement where it can touch a level of 69 also, and then from there 72, and then 75 also. You getting me? If I give you a overall view, then there is high probability, what I'm saying, that once it touched 65.58, then there is a probability it can touch a level of 66.37. Okay, and if it crossed this level, then the next support we can see is at around 69, and if it goes above this level, then we can see a next level is at 71.5, and from there we can see a level of 72.88, and from there we can see a level of 75.24, and if it crossed this level, then we can see again a level of 77, and once 77 is crossed, we can see a more upside movement. See, if you have any doubt regarding your gold position, your crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID in the description. You can join my Telegram channel also, and if you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me. I have arranged a lot of workshops. You can also join those workshops, and but please watch full video so that you will understand what I'm telling you. Okay, so what I'm suggesting you, that suppose you are in a profit of, you bought it at 65 suppose, and now the price is at 72, so you are in $7 profit. Once this $7 profit comes to 3, no, I'll take another example. Suppose you are in a profit of 65, you bought it at 65, it went to 67, now you are in $2 profit. Once this $2 profit become $1.5, then you should exit the trade for the day. You getting me? You should exit the trade for the day, because you should take your profit home. This is very important. Okay, and So you should always do your proper risk management and limit your loss for the day. Suppose you can take a risk of $100 per day, don't take a risk more than that if you are at advanced one, or if you are at lower beginner, then you can take a $20 $30 risk. Okay, if we look at this, the price of crude oil is volatile. Okay, so now what you have to understand, if the price of crude goes below a level of 65.91, then there is high probability it can touch a level of 65.78, and then from there it can touch a level of 65.65 to a level of 65.43. See, 65.43 is tested twice, at once and twice, and there is high probability it can go below this level. Okay, so what you have to understand, once and twice it's tested, so if it comes below this level, this level 65.38, then there is high probability it can touch a level of 64.66. 64.51, and once 64.51 is touched, then we can see a level of 63 very soon. Okay, 63.2, once 63.2 is crossed, then the next support we can see that around 60.1.92. So what I am meant to say is that you should do proper risk management. Suppose you are in profit, then you should exit in profit. You can take a risk of 20% what you have earned of 100%. Okay, there should be a limit to your loss. This is what you have to understand while trading, then only you will be a good successful trader. But these are all positions are my personal view. Please consult a financial advisor before investing. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.